Hep!
Kita mo lang. Hi! Buhay! Nga narawa yun! Hi! Marakang sikuan. Ready?
Lang!
Hep, hep.
Isa pa.
Lagi na saya. Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep.
Hey guys, so we are here in Barangay Basak, no? So shout out kamo ditanan sa mga taga Barangay Basak sa aton nga mga solid followers diri. So makadto kami subong guys sa may debutant no sa aton nga capturean subong. So mga photographer ta na subong guys no. So kinit anita dito kag siyempre ari pa kami di guys sa babaw kag nagapit kami di kay kanami isang view. Let's go. Alright guys, so nagapit kami di anay. So ari kami di subong sa may Barangay Basak Elementary School. So ang dalan niya kadto namon is straight lang ni siya. So ato na sa tupad suba ko ng ilang balay. Kawan niya bala guys sa may carbox to. Sa naga-sound ka na amo na lang da. Alright guys, so ari na kami di sa family Halori na. So basta ganay ga sound no. Ara na sa dayon. So actually so first time ko din nakasulod dire gid sa dapit sa may lapit sila sa suba. Adi guys so
would not be complete without a heartfelt message from the one who has nurtured and guided Ankisha throughout her life. Let us hear from her mother, Mrs. Ilsa Halyorina. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Okay, wala sila ga-dance. Hey! Ako lang to? Dua, dua pa! Prepare! Sheila Lulas! A round of applause, please! Prepare! Ma'am Pearly Pantao and J. Marcis Tuso. Request of to please stand and let us witness. For your cooperation, you may sit down.
Palwa.
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 Paulo.
Paula. Hello. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to thank you for God for giving me this special day and for the blessing me with my family and friends who love me. To my parents, thank you so much for your endless love and support, also for sacrifices and guidance. I will not be here today without you. I love you with all my heart. To my family, relatives, friends, thank you for your support, for being a part of my journey. Your presence makes here this day meaningful and memorable. To my sponsor, thank you very much for your generosity and kindness. Your support made this night possible and more special. I truly appreciate your help and love. To my 18 roses, candles, and shots, and to everyone who gave their time and effort, thank you for making this night special. This debut is not about turning me 18, but also celebrating my life with people who matters most. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for celebrating with me. I will always treasure this moment. Thank you very much, everyone. Let's enjoy this wonderful night together. Thank you very much.
Yan ay ligay ng ibigan. Marami dyan lalaki gusto ba na maangkin ay papasaya magmahal. Nilalangan